Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to unhide posts from Facebook timeline. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Facebook application, and then at the bottom right click on the menu icon, here it is, and then at the top right click on the settings icon. After that you will see this interface. You need to scroll down and find your activity section and then click on the first option, activity log, right up here. Then at the top right corner you need to click on the little search icon right up here and then type hidden here. As you can see, there is 3 different options. For example, you can click on the first one option and then you will see all events you have hidden, or for example click on the second option and see posts hidden from your profile. Actually, I have no posts here, but if you have some, you can click on the 3 dots next to necessary one post and then unhide this post. So actually that's all, and that's how to unhide posts from Facebook timeline. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.